welcome back to another behind the scenes vlog of a wedding. Today, Nick has a wedding and I'm helping him out. So that means that we're just shooting video today, not photo. We are heading up to Essex, Mass, which is about 2 hours away. So we're leaving now, a little early. I think it's like 10 o'clock. The wedding, we have to be there at 2, but we are getting Wahlburgers for lunch because 1, we have a coupon for my birthday, and 2, it's Wahlburgers. We love Wahlburgers. We're hitting the road. Did you find your phone?
On my phone.
Guys, we stopped and got our Wahlburgers. This bag is really cool, by the way. We got, let's see, our burger with egg and Swiss, and then our burger with chili, and then tater tots and a chocolate frap. That's the way to do it.
That's how to do it.
An absolute mess.
So what do you think?
I think this is amazing. I think it's really messy and they didn't give us napkins, but it's really good. We've made it. We're just at the house now. The plan is to do getting ready. So I guess that they've already done getting ready in photos, but when we get there, they're gonna kind of like redo it just for a few minutes so we can get on video before heading over to the ceremony, which is like 10 minutes down the road. Then we come back to this place for the reception. Okay, so we did the getting ready portion. It was a little different than what we normally do. We usually do like the whole suite. So we get like the dress, then we do the makeup and hair, we get them getting dressed, we'll do like a lay flat of the invitations and stuff, but we were last minute booked for this wedding, so we didn't do any of that. So we just did the vows since we're filming this wedding, and then we did like them fake getting ready. So we had somebody zipper up her dress, like again, him button his own buttons, that type of thing. But the ceremony's 10 minutes away, so we're gonna head over there before everybody else just to kind of see the area and set up our tripods. I cannot wait to show you this fall. It is like fall is here, over here. Alright guys, it's a bit windy out here, so I apologize, but we have a better dead cat on this camera, so you can probably hear me. This is where the ceremony is. Whoa, big gush of wind, but it's so pretty. Look at this. Yeah, so it's like extra windy. This is absolutely nuts. It'll be fine though, it's fine. All right guys, so for weddings, when it's Nick and I, we have 2 cameras. Nick has 2 Sony A7iiis. Is that what it is?
I don't know.
A7iiis? Something like that. You don't know what your camera is? Okay, I think that's what it is. And then I have 2 Nikon D750s. And then I usually put the 70-200 on a tripod and just go straight down the middle so it's like a stationary camera. And then my other camera is on another tripod, just like off to the side somewhere, usually with a 35 or 50. Today I'm gonna use a 35 because Nick has a 55 as well. So different focal lengths, different scenarios. But we made it to the ceremony spot. It's really windy, like really windy. And I'm not really sure what's going on with the guests or where they're standing or what's going on. So we'll figure that out. Usually there's chairs and like an aisle and stuff, but it's COVID. This is a COVID wedding. This is how things go. I think this wedding goes off as the windiest ceremony we've ever had. Literally insane. But we're back in the car. We're not doing photos here. We're just going straight back to the house for the cocktail hour. So we will be taking them out for sunset because we didn't get any portraits of them, which is fine because it's really bright out anyway. This place is gorgeous, but there's other gorgeous places around here. It's fall. Everything's gorgeous. So we gotta get back to the house.
From the golden domes of Bulgaria, I'll be following you for the ride. I know that these days have been messing with you like a countless straight out makeup. And I know the right times when you're feeling surrounded, but I think you should know by now.
Okay, so all right, let me explain something to you. So usually there's 2 ways how a wedding goes. It's usually the getting ready, then it's a first look, then the ceremony, cocktail hour, sunset photos, reception, or it is getting ready, ceremony, photos, cocktail hour, reception. This one was a little bit all over the place, but I think it's because of these new COVID weddings are a little different. So basically what we did was getting ready, then we did the ceremony, then we did photos, and then now we're at the house again for the reception part. So I think dinner's about to be served. Everything's kind of just a little bit everywhere at the moment, but I think that's what we're doing now. We just had amazing sunset. It's a little cold, but yeah, I think everything's going well. Things are going well. Favorite part of the day is eating. And this menu looks so good. Clams, steak, chicken, this stuff.
What is that, surf and turf?
I guess. There was lobster,
really.
but I didn't get it. Looks so good though.
Get it either.
Last shot of the night. The fire pit.
I can't believe this day has finally come. The day I get to marry my best friend. From the first time we met, everything about our relationship has always felt so effortless. Like you and I were always meant to be each other's forever person.
Today was an ordinary day. The sun rose. People came and went, and normally you were late. Today you were on time, which meant it was a special day. I promise to stand by your side, whether good or bad, and easy or difficult, to lift you when you are down, to love and cherish. From this day forward, I love you more than the words can tell, until I fare you well, my honey, my only true one. With this ring, I thee wed.
This is how we take the trash out. Oh. Hi guys, today is Monday, it is October 19th, and we are back at the Museum of Natural History to do an engagement shoot for one of our couples next year, and I'm really excited because it's gonna give me all the fall vibes, and I really love this location. We're gonna do some behind the scenes for you, continue this vlog, so yeah, let's go. Don't look at me, I want you to like look at each other and talk, or, you know. Oh, yeah, that's right. Come on! Okay. Awesome. For this one, I think I'm gonna have you like hold your hands like and face each other for this one. And get nice and close for me.
There ain't nothing like sunshine and air to make you feel like you're
Hello guys, it is the next day, and in true fashion, like every vlog pretty much ever, I'm ending the vlog the next day. But before I do, Nick and I got a package from one of our bride and grooms, and it is a huge box that says fragile on it, so I'm very curious what it is because I was really just expecting a thank you card, but clearly there's more than just a thank you card in here, so let's open it. Get it hard here. Dump it out. Does anyone have this much of a problem getting something out of the box? Alright guys, this is the box. There's a box inside of a box. Oh my god, what is this? Let's read it. There is a little thank you card in there. Thank you. They can't stop watching and reliving their video. We've got so many compliments on it. This is how I roll, and there's look like there's some tea, chai in there, coffee and editing, and then there's aged Earl Grey in here. And not done yet. Guys, this is absolutely crazy. Blue Mountain Blend, Arabica coffee. Okay, I don't even know where to begin. If you're watching this, thank you so much. I mean, we've never really gotten this before, so this is absolutely crazy. Plus, our cats are really enjoying it too. So they say thank you too. This is crazy. This is such an amazing gift. Thank you so much. We had a blast shooting your wedding, and I'm obsessed with the wedding video, so I can only imagine how happy you guys are with it. Thank you guys. Love you. All right guys, I'm gonna end the vlog like I said. So thank you guys so much for watching this week. If you haven't already, can you please subscribe to the channel? We're doing things a little differently. We are still not sure if we want to do weekly vlogs or if we want to do like vlogs that are specific to something. So right now we're doing specific vlogs at the moment. So let us know how you're liking that because we're up in the air. We don't know what we're doing at the moment. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in another vlog. Bye.